Go.
Hi there, I'm Mark Sebastian, the founder of OptionPit.com, and this is the Option Pit Trade Idea of the Week. I'd like to remind everybody this is for educational purposes only. None of this should be considered investment advice. Options have risk. Well, we had a great webinar yesterday, lifting off with butterflies and condors. If you go to our events page, you can watch the replay right there. All you have to do is click on it and then scroll down a touch. That's also where you can get a look at our next Saturday class, our butterfly intensive. So we're talking 3 to 4 hours on butterflies. We're going to do a big intensive on non-directional flies and then a nice chunk on directional flies. It should be, I think, fascinating, and I'm excited for it. You can go to optionpit.com/events to view it, or you can type in optionpit.com/flies, and then you'll have an easier time seeing the video right there. All right, so let's talk about the market a little bit. Well, everybody keeps waiting for a day that the VIX holds. Today is not that day. The VIX is not holding and is now up 10 cents on a day where the market is down 4. That is definitely something
Muted.
to be on top of. And in fact, the way I'm looking at things, I think things continue down on the day, or continue up on the day. We had a couple of earnings that I think are interesting. Nordstrom's, JWN Nordstrom's, all right, where the vol is in. I think they still have some problems, and I think there's still downside in this name. I mean, if you look at a chart of this, let me show you what I think. So take a look at the week. On, let's see, on the 20th, so let's take a look. On the 21st, when we came in, Nordstrom opened 46.12 and closed 45.87. And here we are, it's now 46.16. So after all this week of chop, it is now completely unchanged on the week. Congratulations, la-di-da. I think it's going to back off. I would fade this move. Yes, the volatility's in nicely, but I think this is a name that is going to soften next week. People are going to look at this and say, I'm going to take this as an opportunity to unwind this. All right, so the March 45 puts, which are right at the money, they are going to cost me about $1.33. What is that, 2.5% of the stock price? I'll take that. I think I can make money owning these. So I bid 132 and I got filled. So I'm now long my these puts for what amounts to fair value, and I think they're I think I'm going to be flipping out of these Monday or Tuesday. Last week we talked. The trade I had on was a Facebook trade, and it did extremely well. Those that hung around on Facebook, from if somebody piggybacked me, which I have no idea. When I got in for what about $1, those were trading almost $3 on Wednesday. Those were a nice trade. I've had a nice run. Apple has done this. Apple had a similar move the previous week. I think JWN's the other way. I think there's going to be a sell-off on the name. So again, go to optionpit.com/flies, and then you too can look at. You too can sign up for this awesome butterfly intensive, which is going to be March 11th, and view my webinar from last night. All right, everybody. Hope everybody has a great weekend. I'll talk to you soon.